Hey everyone, and welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be filming my go-to glam that I usually do when I'm going out and I don't have like the time to try anything new or spicy or colorful or anything. And my birthday is this weekend and I know that this is the look I'm going to do. It's the look I feel prettiest in. It's the look that I know I can do very quickly, very easily, but still look really good doing. So if you want to see what it looks like, just keep on watching. So today I'm going to be going in with the Jaclyn Hill palette. This is by Morphe. And I'm just going to be using this whole palette and some glitters and liner to be doing the entire look. So I hope that you really enjoy this. So the first shade I'm going to be going in with is this one right here called Butter. And I'm just going to start with a blending brush and I'm going to put that right into my crease. Next, using another blending brush, a clean one, I'm gonna go in with a little bit of a deeper shade. I think I'm gonna go in with this shade right in the middle, and it's called Pukey. And I'm just gonna layer that on top of this shade, but just a little lower. And I'm kind of winging, like dragging it out on the side here to almost like wing it. And I'm going to be going in with the first brush and just further blending those together and pushing it up a little bit more towards my crease so it doesn't look like I have a big empty gap there. Now we're going to start deepening the crease. We're going to take another blending brush and we're going to start dipping into some darker browns. I'm going to dip into this color right here and it is called Mocha. Oh, I just dug my nail into a shadow. And I'm going to be putting Mocha even lower than those two, but still blending it in out like a wing. I've placed that in there and I don't really like how it's blending with this brush, so I'm going to go in with the blending brush that I used right before this for Pukey because it's a little bit bigger, and I'm going to not add any product to it, but whatever's there, I'm just going to use that to blend these colors together. So I'm going to be going in with the first blending brush again and just further blending all of these together. And lastly, using one more blending brush, I'm going to be going in with the darkest brown in the palette, this one right here called Central Park. And I'm going to kind of focus that one lower than all of these and more towards the outer corner. And you can get as messy as you want with this because it is a cut crease, so we're going to be cleaning up a lot of it with concealer. Going back to my first blending brush, not adding any more product, just going to go ahead and blend those even more. Now once you get to about where you want it blended, we're going to start cutting the crease. I'm going to be taking the Maybelline Fit Me concealer and I'm just going to carve it out. As I mentioned in one of my earlier videos, I'm going to be using one of my ultra fine Q-tips to cut out the crease, just to make my life a little bit easier. You can use a tiny brush like this Real Techniques one, or a brush like a little flat top brush like this would work fine as well. but I just find this method easiest for me. Okay, now that I have the crease cut out, I'm just going to dab this with my finger so I get all of the excess concealer off, because you don't want that creasing up on you. That's just going to be annoying. And now I'm going to set that concealer quickly using this shade right here. This is called Silk Creme. And I'm just going to dab that all over the lid where I put the concealer. And now for my favorite part, we're going to cut the crease using glitter. So I'm going to be going in with the NYX Liquid Crystal Body Liner, which is a liquid eyeliner as well. And this is in the shade Crystal Gold. Okay, so I'm back. My brother opened this for me, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut out where I concealed and with this gold liner. Alright guys, so this is it for the eyeshadow look. Of course, putting on liner and lashes is what puts everything together and makes it look all the more glam. I usually add a big wing and big lashes because I don't have much going on the lid, so it allows me the opportunity to put on huge lashes. So yeah, I'm gonna finish up my other eye, put on some wings, put on some lashes, and we'll be right back to choose a lip color. Alright guys, so I'm back. I threw on my wings, I threw on my lashes, I put on some bottom mascara, and this is the final eye look all put together. This is my go-to. I would wear this every day if I could, but it's my go-to glam. It has a lot of glitter. I don't know, I just love it. It's so simple to do. And since it's my go-to, I can do this in like 20 minutes. I know that it'll come out good every single time because it's very neutral. And something else that I love about it is that it looks good with every single lip color. I've worn this with red lipstick, with gray lipstick, with nude lipsticks, and it just looks so good with everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off my Stix. Dab a little bit of foundation so it's not too red or pink. Put some more highlight on my Cupid's bow. And the lip colors I'm going to be going in with today are the Nude Stix lip pencil in Mystic and a little bit of Too Faced melted latex in the shade Strangelove. So this is it with just Mystic on. It's like a little cute little nude thing, but I want it to be a little more va-va-boom right now, so I'm gonna add Strangelove on top. Guys, so my phone stopped recording at some point while I was putting on my lipstick, I think, but the lip gloss and lip crayon mixed together and made this really pretty color, which I'm really happy with. And so this is the final look. I really hope you guys loved it. Like I said earlier, it goes well with everything. It's so neutral but yet so glam, and it goes with every single lip color, so you can pair it with whatever your favorite lipstick is. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment what you'd like to see me do next. I have a winged liner tutorial coming up and a halo eye tutorial coming up. And don't forget to like my Instagram page. Oh my god, I cannot talk right now. My Instagram is at makeupbysonjax, Sonia with a J. And yeah, I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!